Hello, in this video we're going to add constraints to our face. But first, at this point we don't really need to see the LRAs of our rig, and it's kind of distracting. So I'm just going to select all these joints and I'm going to click the LRA button so that gets rid of it. Also, from the previous video, I just did the other side. It's the exact same process. And try to match basically the size so it's mirrored on one side to the next. All right, so the face, let's go back here, and it's pretty simple. For these face joints, let's do these first. I like to use either cube or circle, or cube or sphere. To make a difference between the smile and frown kind of joints, let's do sphere for those. And I'll just do all of them individually, and they'll be big at first. Okay, and so they're all big like this. I'm going to select all of them and press F9 and select all of them like this. And then if you hit Control Shift right click, click on component, and actually we want to be in scale, then make sure you're in component by Control Shift right click and scale it down. So they're kind of hovering over like that. So that's probably good. And then we want to color these. So remember, red is the right, left side, and blue on the right side. So something like that. And now I'm going to go through, I'm going to make these cube and just do each one individually, and they come in really big so you can't really see it. Just make sure you get all of them. And then I didn't get that one. So what I did is I select the joint and pressed F, and it will snap to that. So they should each one have a point and an orient. And then I can select all these and do that same kind of thing. Press F9, select all the controls, make sure you're in component mode, and scale them all. And they should scale directly on top of the joint. So we want them, it's bad to have them overlapping because it's harder to select. We want this to be as easy to animate as possible. So I'm scaling it down to a certain point, let's say like something like this, to, as a first, just to get the right size. And then I'm going to right click the back and say object mode. And then I'm going to select the bottom joint. So I'm going to make it so I can't select the model or the joints there. So it's easier to select these bottom ones. And then I'm going to press F9, select all these and lower them. And this, we want to move them down directly down, so we'll use world. So move them down, so that is the lower lip. Something like that. And then I'll do the next ones. Right click the back, and then I'm going to select the top ones and do that same thing but pull them up. F9, select all of them, then pull them up like this. Something like that. Then for these corner ones, I would suggest doing something, the shape a little bit different. just so we don't get mixed up. And I would pull them in more. I'm going to press F9, select all of them. And then I'll keep it at world, but I'm going to go to scale. Make sure Control Shift right click and go to world. And I'm going to scale them out like that. And then I'm going to select the inside vertices and scale them in so they're kind of the corner of the mouth, something like that. So it's very clear what each control is doing. Now I can just select them and color them. So that side is red, this side is blue, and the center is yellow. Okay, so now we have that. I'll stop the video and we'll do the eye next.